Okay, Ms. Walls, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days credit for 3. Why? Why are you pleading guilty to this theft so it can just go on your record? How old are you? You're 24. Do you want to become unemployable?
No, sir, but I'm ready to go back to work and I can't work with it being open.
Her job said they can't hire her back on with the pending case. Once the case is closed, no matter how it is closed, she can go back to work. And she has a prior out of state. So this isn't just a first offense, Judge, but I explained it.
So you know what happens next time, right?
Yeah, I got court for my other one, October 6th.
Other what?
The theft charge that I have.
You have another theft open now?
Case from Montgomery County Judge.
I've been arrested for it several times, but they never came and got me. So my bond company never gave me a court date the last time. They couldn't even find a court date.
How many open thefts do you have? This one and that one? Where's the other one from? Yeah, Walmart, Target, where's it from? Which mall? Where's this one from?
It's a convenience store,
Yeah, 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
This now makes 2. The next one is a felony offense. Instead of days, you're looking at years. I hope you appreciate and understand that.
Yes, sir, you told me the last time.
You don't want a probation to try to keep it off your record?
I mean, I wouldn't mind, but would I be able to, it would be open still?
No. It'd be closed, but you're on probation, but you do a 6-month deferred if you do an anti-theft class, and if you don't test positive, you get out of here, you don't have a conviction on your record. And then, at the minimum, I'm telling you, when you get a theft on your record, you become unemployable. No one hires thieves. No one. You have a job now, but I'm telling you, in 6 months, you're probably not. History is that every single person goes through at least 8 to 10 jobs in their lifetime. What are you doing now? Where do you work now?
I work in a manufacturing warehouse.
Okay. Right. How much money do you make an hour? That's a great job. And I'm going to tell you that if you stick with this job, fantastic. But the chances are that you're at some point going to move to another job. I'm sorry. Oh, so quit. You might as well quit school if you're going to end up with a theft on your record. Because you going to school makes no difference when you have a theft on your record. No one hires thieves. Why waste your money in school? Quit. I'm telling you. If you really want to amount to something in this life, having a theft conviction on your record is about the worst possible thing you can do. You want to get FAFSA funding for future schooling to become nurse, doctor, whatever. You're not going to get it with a theft conviction. No, they're going to deny you funding just because of a conviction.
I'll discuss with my client, Judge.
If I were you, I would do a deferred, successfully complete it. And that point, it doesn't end up on your record. And you need to also understand in Montgomery County, they're a lot tougher than they are here. So you need to work as hard as you can to try to not end up with a theft on your record. Yeah, I'm cool with it. And that's what I would do. Don't. You're ruining your life. Stop freaking stealing. If it's not yours, don't take it.
Hey, Judge.
Hey, I know you're in a rush, so as soon as you get done, we'll get you out. And if you want to do it tomorrow or the next day, we can do that too.
I think she got work covered today, wanted to come today to do it.
Okay, then, and look, you can always zoom in as well, so you can make your, isn't it at 8:45? It's at 9 o'clock? Oh, you gotta go now? Go, and we can do it via Zoom, and then she's here already.
Okay.
Right. Okay, I'm trying to get in the waiting room, and I'm kind of weary about letting.
No, I don't know who that is.
Okay. Okay, Ms. Walls, this is the best thing for you. We want to look out for you. We want the best thing for you. And if you really are in school, if you really want to better yourself, this is the way to do it. Because I promise you, people don't last but a year, 2 years, 3 years at jobs nowadays. They just don't. And with the theft conviction, you're all but killing any prospects you have to get a job. You want to get an apartment, not with the theft conviction. You understand? Now, I will cut you loose as soon as you get this done. All we want you to do is understand that this is not a good way to go. All you do is hurt yourself. I mean, even if they get the stuff back, regardless, all you're doing is you're hurting yourself and you're killing yourself. Don't do it. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers, right to be arraigned, charge right to open court. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. You know, instead of the community service, I'd rather her do like a effective decision-making class instead, like even an online one. You know, if community services, I mean, I'd rather you learn something from this. So if you would prefer, we can have you do an effective decision-making class in lieu, which is a lot better anyways. Now, all you have to do is the anti-theft class, the other class, and if you do that, stay out of trouble, I'll take you off in half the time. It could literally be done in 3 months. And then at some point in the future, if you behave yourself, you can even seal this thing so the general public can't see it. That's the ultimate goal. All right. How do you plead to the offense of theft, man? Guilty or not guilty? I will not find you guilty. I will withhold that waiver fees, please, all of it. You're not going to have to pay for anything as far as supervision, anything. I can't pay for the outside classes. You'll have to do that. But with everything else here, you're not going to have to pay. Just do a good job. Don't pick up any new cases. Good luck. Thanks, Will.
Thanks so much, Judge.
Of course. Hey.
Morning, Judge. May I approve?
Yes, sir.